I want us to, if we don't already, view leadership as an ethical responsibility to co-create counter-narratives. We're going to unpack that idea of counter-narratives and rituals of renewal for community transformation. So I have this belief that any of us can participate, whatever role or leadership role you might have now or need to consider yourself being in, you can be part of moving toward this goal. But here's the story that some of you know and don't. There's a colleague out there that started raising this interesting question. Barbara O'Keefe and her colleagues are in the late 1980s started wondering, does the way we think about communication matter? And at one level, as I often tell my students, definitions seem to be the things that are in textbooks and you leave them and you move on. And what they found is that their definition of communication translated into how they interacted. So if I thought communication was about getting my ideas out, they got their ideas out. If I thought it was about self-expression and letting people know what I feel, they did that. If they thought it was about adapting to the other person, they would work on that. So if nothing, I hope right now somewhere in your mind you're going, how do I think about communication? What do I really think about communication? And have I noticed the way there's a relationship between that way of thinking and how I actually interact with others?